So today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy Tron identity disc. Mine is not quite finished on the bottom because I ran out of glow sticks. A couple of my glow sticks didn't work, so I was not able to finish the bottom, but I can show you how to do this so that you can finish the whole thing. So actually the first week that I first saw Tron, I got 3 requests to make this disc, so here is that. So you want to start by cutting 3 disc-sized circles out of cardboard. And then on 2 of the circles you want to run a line on the inside about 2 inches from the outside and cut it out with a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife. Do that to 2 of your discs, and then the third one you're going to cut that so it's quite a bit smaller than the other 2, except the inside you're going to make the circle smaller so that it extends beyond the 2 outer circles, and then that will give it the small edges and larger inside the way the disc is. So on the smaller disc, you want to poke several holes. I only did 3, but you're going to want more because it'll hold everything on better. And then you run some twist ties through those holes. This is how you're going to be holding on the glow sticks. Again, more than 3 will work a lot better. And then you're just going to sandwich your 3 circles. So put a little bit of glue on the outside of the small circle. And stick one of the big circles over it, centering it. Then put a little more glue on the back side of the small circle. Put your other big circle over that. And so then you're just going to go around the edges, putting some hot glue and pinching the edges shut so you get that nice thin blade-like edge on the very end of it, and then it's wider in the middle. Gives it the appropriate shape. And so then you want to take a couple pieces of cardstock, some circles of cardstock, and you're going to sandwich those around that piece in the middle and pinch the edges on those as well so that the interior edges taper inward. So there's that. Don't worry about the ruffles because they'll be covered up later. So then you want to poke some holes just along the edges of the cardstock circle as well. Again, I only did 3, but you'll want to do more because it will hold everything on much better, which I found out later. So then slip your twist ties in through those holes. Here it is once I got the twist ties. Again, only 3. You want to do more. And so then you just want to give the whole thing a coating of black paint. Twist ties and everything, just paint everything black. So then get a glow stick and start cracking. I had 4 of these, but only 2 of them worked. This is why you should never buy glow sticks at Walmart, but I was kind of in a hurry. So these are the 2 that did work. And so you just take them and you twist tie them on, one around the outside edge. And I would have taken a second one to finish off the end, but I needed the second one for the inside because 2 of my glow sticks didn't work. So the second one I just wound up around the inside. And if you can find some in multiple sizes, then you won't have to overlap, but I only had 1 size, so I just overlapped the one in the middle around itself, and it didn't look too bad. So then when you need to change glow sticks, you can just unwind them from the twist ties and put in fresh ones. Which I realize is not the most eco-friendly solution, but it's cheap and easy and fast. So there it is in the dark.